Well, I get to go for a quick joyride around the block. It's got quite a bark to it, doesn't it? Love the downshifting. It's incredibly smooth.
This shift?
All of it, just the ride, the shifting.
The shift's hard. This shift's pretty hard.
That's pretty addicting, eh?
Yeah.
No wonder everybody loves these things so much. Wow, it sure goes. So what do you think's faster, the GT500 is?
It's close.
Yeah.
The Mustang handles a little bit better.
Okay.
This is way better off the line.
Wow. This thing's a monster. It's definitely not for the average person.
Sunroof opened up a little bit there.
It's not quite like the orange Mustang, is it?
No. Bigger supercharger than the regular Hellcat. That's
Okay.
the difference.
Boy, air filter's as big as my Dodge.
Well, they look a lot bigger because they have the supercharger down there and then up and over.
Yeah. Oh, that's spectacular. What a machine. Thanks for the test drive. I'm overwhelmed. The power of this thing is just unbelievable. Like it pulls like a freight train. I had no idea. My God. It's spectacular. Of course I want one now.